So yes, this is the suite. It needs a lot of work. Look at the floors. So we're gonna redo the floors. I'm taking these mirrors down. All this is gonna be out. It's gonna be totally different. That's Kylan acting crazy. But yeah, the floors, the ceiling. I think I want to do my ceiling. Like, it's a special way I want to do the ceilings.
You gotta climb up the ceiling.
Cause yeah, your girl is not going out like this. We got to upgrade the period. She bad. But yeah, I just wanted y'all to see the suite. Who are you talking to? Huh? Do you want a whooping?
I wasn't playing.
So we in the suite. My boyfriend said it's ugly, so he came in to change it.
It is ugly.
Yeah, I mean he's so mean, y'all.
Just look at it.
So I was just gonna do the floors black and the walls white, but my boyfriend said it was ugly and it was giving like jail vibes. So he came in to redo the floors and he gonna paint the walls for me. So yeah, I guess it was kind of ugly now that I'm looking back over it. So we chose the color pink. Well, he chose it. Look at my baby working and complaining. It's together. Looks way better than what I did.
She's a big baby, a big brat, child. She spoiled you. Won't let her tell you nothing. She spoiled you, child.
If I'm spoiled, if he did it, he did this. Okay. Hey y'all, this is Three Stooges. So this is my flower wall. I think I had got these from Amazon, and the other stuff I had got from Burlington, but I ended up taking that little white stand back and that little diamond table because I didn't like it. I think I ordered 4 of those flowers to cover the wall, but I left the bottom part open. I got me everything. Yeah. My old space in the house, I moved my car already. It's over there. So we just packing up right now. No more working from the house. I got all my little tools. And this came out of my cart. And my daughter has my cart. Kylan, where's my cart at? Kylan. She just had a, yeah, so I took all the drawers out. She wanted to put all her stuffies on there. Okay, take this to the door. And I gotta grab the rest of the stuff. The pink chair, I got that from the at-home store. Hello Gorgeous sign. It's from Amazon. And my mirror, I did my mirror myself. I just put some LED light bulbs around it. So this is the finished product. I love it.